This guy was slowing down at a red light when a careless driver slammed into the back of his car.
Oh, hell no.
Instead of stopping to take responsibility, the Volvo driver sped off without hesitation, running the red light. But his reckless decision is about to backfire spectacularly. The cam driver, stunned by what just happened, immediately chased the road rager and tried to stop and confront him.
Pull your ass over right now! Dude, you need to pull over right now. I'm calling the cops. I have your plate. You just hit my car. Pull over right here.
Desperate to get away, he made a wild and dangerous maneuver, trying to turn that sent him crashing straight into a power box. The impact not only damaged his car, but also caused a power outage in the area.
All you had to do was just pull over. If you hit somebody's car, you pull over.
Only seconds later, the police arrived, delivering him his well-deserved justice.